How to rank higher on Google using images. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to rank higher in Google search results, work on your SEO of your website or business using images. So let's get started. When it comes to ranking higher about our business or our website that we have, we do not consider images as a factor when in reality images play an important role in ranking our website higher. According to Google Search Central, by adding more context around images, results can become much more useful, which can lead to higher quality traffic to your site. In this tutorial, I will tell you how you can use images and how you can work on optimizing your images so that it helps you improve your SEO. So if you have a website on WordPress, if you have a website on Wix, Squarespace, it's going to be similar. I'll show you how you can actually, use images for SEO. So first of all, whenever we are uploading images on our website, we need to find the right images. We see a lot of images. For example, you have a hotel and you took images, and now let me actually ask you, what do you think, which website will rank higher? A website with this image right here, or the website with this image? So you can see these are similar images of a room, but the website with this image will rank higher. Why? Because Google decides which image is more relevant and which image is actually giving our audience more insight to the business. So if you add this image, then of course you will get the audience, but not as much. So this is actually a big difference. The images play an important role. So let's actually get this from the Google Search Central, from where we will get all the insights. Create a great user experience. Google is all about user experience. And if you have images that help the users, then of course Google will help you, and your website or your hotel appointment website will rank higher and you will get more audience. First of all, provide good context. Make sure that your visual content is relevant to the topic of the page. This is what I just showed you. Let's say you have a hotel website and you're adding images of your kitchen where you work. That will not help viewers get attention. And you can see on Google, we get the, hotel and different pictures right here. So you can see the difference between the images ranking higher. And then as we go down, you can see they become less and less relevant. So the first thing that you need to do is find the relevant image. If you have a tattoo shop, make sure to find an image with where you are creating a tattoo instead of adding an image of your shop. If you create a restaurant website, if you have a blog post, make sure to add relevant image. That is really, really important, instead of adding a lot of images that do not have any kind of relation to the topic or to the text that you have added to your website. Moving on, optimize placement. Whenever possibly, place image near relevant text. When it makes sense, consider placing the most important image near the top of the page. When we are creating and uploading images on our websites, we upload the images and we actually don't consider this. We are writing a blog and we upload different images, right? And then we add images wherever we feel like we should, and we are writing a paragraph, and once the paragraph is written, we have like 500 words, and after 500 words we're adding an image. We think it's okay, but according to Google, it's not. If you want to get higher results, you will have to add an image according to the text. Where you have the text, for example, I have text right here, I should add the image next to the topic. If the topic is talking about, for example, the pool that we have in our hotel, we have a grand pool. So I should add the image of the pool next to our text, right? Instead of adding it at the end or somewhere where I am talking about, the views, and I'm adding the image of the pool. That does not make sense. And according to Google, it will not make sense and they will not rank your website higher. Moving on, don't embed important text inside images. When we are creating a website and we get more excited and we actually embed text and photos together, do not do that. Do not embed text over your photos. Let the photos do their work and let the text do that its work. So you can see right here elements like page headings and menu items, because not all user can access them, and page translation tools won't work on images. If you're thinking of adding a text on your logo, if you're thinking of adding a text in your header, and at the same we have a banner image and you have a lot of text over that, that will not make sense. That will actually not help you, and a lot of users will not be able to load your website, and it will actually affect the user experience. And as I said before, if it affects the user experience, it will affect your SEO. So that's really important. To ensure maximum accessibility, keep text in the HTML, provide alt text for the images. This is really important. Alt text for images. How to add alt text? This helps us with the, optimization of our image. Now, how to actually make our image optimized? You can upload an image. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to select a file. So let's say this is the image that I want to add to my website. On every website, we have the option of alt text. You can see right here. Now, alt text helps us add text behind our image, like in our image. And what we can do is we can actually, whatever text I want to go for, different tags, I can add them here instead of, actually embedding something into my image. So we can actually go with maybe something else. So you can see we have this image. In the alt text, I will enter whatever I want to, and it will help me optimize. So that's what the Google search means. And this is where the Google Search Central means, adding alt text for the images. Moving on, we have create informative and high quality sites. Now, when it comes to optimizing your images, there is another thing that you should do. The size of the image is an important factor. And if it has a large size, then of course it will take more time to load. And the images will not load on your website. It will take more time. It will affect the user experience. People will not check out your website. And the more user experience drops, the more your website will go down. So you need to add the images in low size. But how to do that? We have an image, we took an image, it has a size we want to upload. So for that, I will suggest going to an image compressor where you can compress your image size, your file size, and you can use them. So it's actually really easy. For example, you can use any image compressor. They are completely free, available on Google. For example, this one, imagecompressor.com. And what you can do is you can drop your file here, any image you have, it's large, drop the file and optimize it to a minimum size so that it loads faster on your website, and the image will load faster and it will help you rank higher. Then we have create device-friendly sites. User search on Google Images are more from mobile than on desktop. So this is also an important thing that you need to keep in mind while creating a website. Make a website which is mobile friendly. Again, because a lot of people, when it comes to the image websites, because we don't have, people are outside and they want to search for the best hotel near them. They want to search for the best, site near them. So they just search on their phone. And because everybody is using phone all the time, so it has affected the Google Search Central as well, the results, because it depends on how device friendly your website is. If your website is not mobile friendly, that you will not get the results you want. Create good URL structure for your images. Google uses the URL path as well as the file name to help you understand your images. Make sure when you upload an image on your website, the file size, the name of the file should be similar, because it also affects if your image is relevant or not. Once you do that, then you will be able to get more traffic to your website, add relevant image, compress the size, work on the alt text, add the text near to the relevant image, and this will help you rank higher in the Google search results using images. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.